Okay, my new poison dart frog just came today. And this is the unboxing. The final hurrah. You have to be very careful. Especially using a knife around this guy. At least this one's nice and encased. The one before didn't have any tape on it and almost lost him. Oh, there's the frogs chirping in the background. Oh, here he is. Oh my goodness, he's gorgeous. Let's see if the camera can pick him up. You see him in there? Yeah, he's bright orange. So cool. He's gonna be friends with little Rojo. I'll put him in the cage and we'll get a better shot, but... Woo, there he is! Pretty cool. New dart frog for the tank.